Hi, Peter Robertson from William Porteous Properties. Welcome to 29 Clark Street here in Nedlands. This is an absolutely fantastic 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 5-car garage home, a 911 square metre block, north-facing backyard, an absolutely remarkable family residence in such a prime position in Nedlands. Let's have a look through. Some of the fantastic attributes of this big family home is the different zones and the different modules. Here we are in the front family room. It's a towering ceiling, abundance of natural light pouring in, a great zone that flows through really well through to the kitchen area. We've got a fresh modernised kitchen with lots of natural light, lots of bench space, tons of cupboard, lots of storage, a pantry, flows through to that front family room, connects to the lounge and the dining, and is straight through to the alfresco outdoor entertaining. The open plan lounge and dining off the kitchen looks through to the alfresco and the pool. It's a big, bright, open space, fantastic for the TV, a great central gathering point for the family. Here we are in the alfresco space. This is that north-facing backyard that is brilliant. It's sheltered from the prevailing wind, an abundance of natural light, lots of space for the gathering of family and friends. How social and fantastic is this? A wood-fired pizza oven, and we're looking at the plunge pool through to the back lawn and a mango tree. It does not get better. What a brilliant backyard. As we tick off the multiple brilliant features of this home, the main bedroom on the ground floor has got to be one of them. King size, upgraded modern ensuite bathroom, a walk-in wardrobe, fantastic light, all on the ground floor. Fantastic feature is this granny flat or self-contained teenagers retreat. At the rear of the home, ground floor, it opens to the pool. It's got its own kitchen, lounge and dining, a massive bedroom with its own dedicated ensuite bathroom. Fantastic and so versatile on so many fronts. So that's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus a study, multiple living areas on the ground floor. Then we come upstairs to the secondary bedroom wing. So that's it, folks. 29 Clark Street here in Nedlands, a brilliant family home offering so many options and such versatility. Fantastic backyard, brilliant location close to the river, UWA shops, all of that. We are excited to be bringing this to the market and we cannot wait to show you through.